Alright, in this video we're going to go over population density. So this problem says in 2014, the population of Hong Kong was estimated to be approximately 7,112,688 people. The city covers an area of approximately 426.25 square miles. So there, right away, we're given two important pieces of information. We're given the population of Hong Kong in 2014 and the amount of area the city covers. Now the question is asking us, what was the population of Hong Kong in 2014 in people per square mile, rounded to the nearest person? So here we know that the formula for population density is we take the population and we divide it by the area. So you would do 7,112,688 people, because that's our population, divided by 426.25 square miles, which is our value for area. If you forget the population density formula, the question itself tells you what to do to find the answer. So in the yellow part where it says to find your answer in people per square mile, we can read the word per as a division bar, as a fraction bar. So that's telling us to take the number of people we have and divide it, because with the per, we're using the division bar, by the square miles we have. So take the people and divide it by the amount of area. So when we do that, when we put it in Desmos, we get 16,686.6580645. Since we want to round this to the nearest person, we can say that the population density of Hong Kong is 16,687 people per square mile. You'll notice when I typed this number in Desmos, I did not include the commas that the problem included. Desmos does not like commas for large numbers like that, so you don't want to type it in with the commas. Alright, now we have a problem that you're going to try on your own. So a study reports that in 2010, the population of the United States was 308,745,538 people, and the land area was approximately 3,531,905 square miles. Based on the study, what was the population density in people per square mile of the United States in 2010? Round your answer to the nearest tenth. So here, this problem is very similar to the one we just did. Really, the main difference is the rounding. So you want to pay attention here to where it says round your answer to the nearest tenth, and you're going to do this problem right now.